I love that section of the Daily Word that says, the beauty of the world pales in comparison to the beauty within me. The beauty of the world pales in comparison to the beauty that's in you. Let's take that thought with us into meditation. Because there's no greater joy than knowing the beauty that is in you, the beauty that is you. So if you're comfortable, take a deep breath in, breathe out. Let your body relax. Let go of tension. Breathe in again. Let it out. The beauty of the external world pales in comparison to the beauty inside you. So today in our meditation, we're going to imagine the beauties of the external world. So let's start with a ladybug. They're so cute and beautiful. Can you imagine a ladybug swirling around? And imagine that beauty inside you. Imagine holding a ladybug in your hands and pulling it right inside. The beauty of that ladybug is you. Now imagine a wildflower. Imagine stepping out and seeing a beautiful wildflower. It's yellow, bright like the sunshine. You lean over. It's fragrant. And you imagine, the beauty of that wildflower is in you. Now imagine a cloud. The beauty of the natural world is nothing compared to the beauty inside you. Imagine this beautiful fluffy cloud. And imagine that you can reach up and touch this cloud, soft as cotton candy. You pull that cloud down and into your core. The beauty of that cloud is nothing compared to the beauty in you. Imagine a rocky mountain peak, so splendid, so magnificent. See that mountain peak and imagine that mountain peak inside you. The beauty of that mountain is nothing compared to the beauty in you. And imagine the world's oceans and the rivers that stream down from those mountains to the oceans, that flow, that beautiful flow. That beautiful flow from that river to the ocean is in you, that flow. There's nothing in the external world that's more beautiful than what is in you. There is no greater joy than for us to know that we embody the beauty of the universe, the beauty of the world, that it's in you, it's in me. Take a moment and focus on that beauty inside. And breathe in and breathe out, and know that you, holy child of God, are beautiful. And let that wellspring of joy bubble up. And so it is.